Eliminate white hair without ink and without products. Chemicals. With only 2 ingredients, you will be surprised with today's advice. Let's start by cutting a lemon in half. The acidity contained in the lemon is one of the secrets of this tip. Now in a container I am going to squeeze the lemon. Here I am using a juicer. If you prefer, you can do it with your hands. And before I forget, tell me what city you are seeing us from so I can send you a hug. In the following video, and today's hug goes Alicia de Sanchez from Guatemala. I'm glad you enjoy our tips. Now, the second element of this mix is coconut oil, which is rich in vitamins. For your skin, we are going to use 4 tablespoons for our advice. Do it at home, you will thank me very much with this advice. In addition to being very economical, if you want to recover the colors of black hair, easily using this advice every time you go to wash the hair in a short time or to have the threads like new again. In addition, coconut oil is rich in vitamins A, D and K that help control cholesterol and increase the amount of healthy fat in the body. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and citric acid that help whiten the skin and are also antioxidants. You mix the two, really do miracles in the coloration of the threads. Now after mixing well, I'm going to put the mixture in another container, which will be easier in the application. I am using a funnel to avoid waste. After placing all the mixture, we just have to close on the product. It is now ready to use. I am sure you can help your friends and family by indicating this tip. All will be impressed with the result they will obtain with the use of this mixture, making them stronger and renewed, as well as bringing the color back to the application of the product. It is only necessary to apply at the root of the threads and then wash with water. Use at least 2 times a week. It is what is necessary to notice the difference in the cables in a short time. Tell me later, did you get the result you expected with this track? I thank you for coming here. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.